Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple tartar sauce. This is perfect when you're making fish and chips, but today I'm going to be using it in a wrap with fish fingers and it's going to be lovely. Here we've got about a handful of gherkins, handful of capers. I absolutely love these, they're so good. And we've got a little bit of fresh parsley as well. What we're going to do is we're going to place it in a blender. Excuse all the flour, we're making flatbreads. Blitz that up. Take it out, give it a little shake. Now we're going to hit this with a little bit of lemon zest. Just a little bit. Then we're going to squeeze some lemon juice into it. It's going to add a lovely freshness to it. And we'll hit this with a little pinch of salt. Right, now here we've got 150 grams of mayonnaise. And all of that lovely stuff we just blended, we're going to add it to our mayonnaise. Mix all this in. And so that is our lovely tartar sauce. Finish it, I'm just going to tell the story with a little bit more of that lemon juice and a little bit of fresh parsley as well. Absolutely lovely.